Welcome to Kids Lamp. Let your light shine.
Hello kids, in this video we are going to see the experiment of way to heaven. Shall we see how can we go to heaven through this object lesson? This water bottle represents the world. Do you know by what the world is filled with? The Bible says the whole world lies under the power of the evil one. Who is the evil one? Yes, Satan. Satan's activities are filled like this water in the whole world. Let's see what we have to do to get into heaven when we leave the world. The skin of this orange represents Jesus. The fruit denotes us, which means our life with Jesus. This fruit indicates our life without Jesus because it does not have peel on it, and it shows that Jesus is not with us. Now let's see how would be the life without Jesus. The life without Jesus is drowned into the world full of evil. Now let us see how will be the life with Jesus. Jesus is like our life jacket. Jesus helps us from drowning and leads us to go to heaven. Because Jesus himself said, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Another verse says like this, Jesus is the only one who came from heaven and went back to heaven. Kids, do you know through whom we can find the route to heaven? Yes, only Jesus knows the route to heaven. Nobody knows it and no other shortcuts route too. So kids, what we have to do to go to heaven? With prayer, we can talk with Jesus. By reading the Bible, we can hear what He is speaking through the Bible verses. We must believe and obey Him in all things so that we can go to heaven through Jesus. Okay kids, I hope you will do that for sure. Take care, bye-bye.